Assalamu alaikum. Today morning, I was reading about some of the initiatives which have been taken by HSBC Malaysia under their Future of Work Model initiative, and these are some of the staff well-being initiatives and a part of their change management journey. The COVID-19 and its after effects have brought a lot of changes into the workplaces. The organizations they have thought about it and they have taken the initiatives so that they could create a really effective workable environment, because there is a lot of transition, lot of change. So there is a need for the organization to think about it practically. So why I am talking about these initiatives, because what it happens that most of the time we read the academic and theoretical side of the change management, and but when there is a question of practical side of those change management initiatives, we see very less on the ground. But these are really very good initiatives. I really appreciate the work done by the human resources of the HSBC Malaysia. So, as a part of their global initiative, some of the initiatives which they have adopted are as follows. Number one, they have gone for a hybrid work arrangement whereby the staff will be given the flexibility to opt for work from home and work from office. And the underlying objective of the bank is to reduce the office footprint by 20%. It's really practical because most of the people working in the branches, and then partly the employees working in the corporate offices, so there needs to be a balance so that this initiative could be successful. The other initiatives are one, they have created a mental health model, and under this model, they have gone for giving access to the staff to the counseling facilities, professional counseling facilities, not only for the staff but their families also. And then for the staff, while they are working in the offices, on Friday the afternoon time is meeting free time, so that the employees could be able to prioritize their work and they can have a relaxing weekend. The second initiative is the well-being leave, whereby the staff is entitled to take a day off, and they can go for their annual medical checkup, and they can also work on their health, on their self-care. Then there is a development day. On this development day, the staff they can leverage the online resources, the webinars being offered by the HSBC, the courses offered by the HSBC University. Similarly, the employees they can have a career conversation with their line managers. Under the physical health initiative, the staff have access to in-house clinics, gym, exercise studios, and then the bank has also offered updated medical plan, including the coverage for COVID-19. Similarly, telemedicine and online consultation facility has been created for the employees, so that these families and the employees they can have access to this online consultation facility from their home, and can seek medical treatment from the doctors. So these are a very practical and reasonable initiatives. The nature is such that any small, medium or big company can adopt these initiatives and can implement them in their own work environments. I just wanted to share these thoughts, these practical change management initiatives with the HR practitioners, managers, and the viewers, so that you all can take benefit and if possible you can apply in your own workplaces wherever you are working, whether it is in Pakistan, it's Malaysia or somewhere else. I hope that you would like these ideas and will take benefit. Inshallah, I will come back with more such ideas so that you could be able to learn and then adopt them in your own organizations wherever you are working. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.